Hi all, my name is Yashwant. I had an opportunity at MultiFit to get the cupping session done. ICAHT was here telling about their grass-tent technique, where they used few tools to release the knots in my trapezius muscle, which was very relaxing. Expertise in cupping, fire cupping, and wet cupping. It really feels a difference in my body. So I would really recommend any athlete or sports person who is struggling with pain in their body can connect to ICAT and get the cupping done. It can feel better.